Hari Om Tat Sat. A warm and friendly 2016 welcome to Sadhana, the Inward Path. Yes, you're tuned into South Africa's finest Hindu magazine show right here on SABC3. After all the New Year indulgence, we look at some ancient healing for the body. We celebrate the merge of Shiv Shakti through dance, and Tigam Nathu goes traditional for Pongal. If at the beginning of the new year, like me, you too resolve to adopt a healthier lifestyle, then yoga should be at the top of your resolutions list. The holistic benefits of yoga and its magical healing powers have been well documented in recent years. Sadhana was privileged to gain insight into this ancient system of health and healing during our visit to India.
From very childhood itself, my grandfather was one of the Gurukulacharya. So he used to teach me. So from very basic at the age of 3 or 4 itself, he introduced me some asanas, some difficult asanas. But I was just doing it. But I found everywhere I used to get appreciated in my studies, in my sports, whatever. So somewhere I was understanding that yoga is making a difference in it. This was my view that how it can help humanity without much involvement of infrastructure, no involvement of all pharmaceuticals. So this was my drive. Then I found few people are interested in me to learn medicine along with yogic science. So when I learned medicine, I could connect a yogic man who is only learnt yoga, does not know what is physiology, and what a medical doctor has learned physiology does not know what yoga is. But both things are there in a human body. So either two people together work on a person, or one person should know both the knowledge. Then only one person can address the right disorder of the human body. And that only one can give a pleasure and health and happiness. I asked almost 60 to 70 questions individually, alone. They may be very private also. Then as per the answer, I asked the person, please do answer everything truthful. Do not hide. The truthful answers, I give them a mark of what exactly this person stands in this parameter. Accordingly, we take, this person suffers in fact from this disorder. Though maybe clinical study showing different. Clinical study is the result of portion affected by the body, inside the body. That result, then they give a medication. I never. I give the yoga as individualistic for the same cause. So I do a causal yoga therapy. What is your cause? Work on it. The fruit will go off. That is a bad fruit we have got in your body in the form of disease. This will go off because it will not be nurtured.
He goes through, he makes your chart, then he starts advising you different exercises. Maybe one or two exercises won't suit you, then he will alter the exercise which suits your body. Then he monitors, asks you to go for test, study the reports.
He does an end-to-end analysis of every aspect of your life. From what time do you wake up, to how much do you sleep, to what do you eat, what do you prefer eating, do you eat more of sweet or do you eat more savory, how do you feel in life, do you have any enemies. It's about your mind, it's about your habits.
As a doctor who understands anatomy, who understands physiology, he understands like if you have to take water from one farm to another farm, you just remove the blockage, right? In your body, there is normal temperature and pressure, right? If that gets disturbed somehow, then obviously your chemical flow and your glands, which are gonna secrete a signal from the brain, it gives a signal to the brain to release some chemicals. Now, if there is air stuck in that, right, it's like a block. So water will not flow from one farm to another farm. What a doctor understands, what a yoga therapist understands is remove the blockage. Like a farmer understands, remove the mud from there, the water will flow from here to there.
In between your exercises, you can walk up to him and he'll take your pulse. In between exercises, you can say that, can you check my BP? So all of that also happens here. When you know that you are the master of your own body and of your own mind, there's nothing that's more liberating in the world. And then there's nothing you can't achieve.
The nature has created you, and nature has created you in a very perfect way. If you don't disturb it with putting chemicals and putting your thought processes, which is going negative at some time, because what you're thinking, even one negative thought will show in your body. So when you do yoga, it releases dopamine. It goes to your midbrain cell. It relaxes you. It connects you to your old, when you were born. It takes you back to the same cell origin, where everything was in a metaphysical way, was the most powerful time. Here you're making your whole body work. You are using that gift of nature which is given to you for free. Yoga connects you to your original self. When you're an original self, it's a healing self. It heals.
Put a cause of health and happiness, and that starts manufacturing. And disease goes off, health and happiness comes.